How to make a balloon cake topper or a mini arch balloon topper. This is great for kids' parties or to brighten up any cake. Let's see how it's made. For this we are using some colourful balloons, and we have some metal craft wire, some glue dots, we have some nice striped straws. You can also use wooden skewers, and we're using a hand pump. Begin by blowing up all the balloons. We're using a hand pump here, pushing the nozzle all the way inside to give it that nice round bubble effect, and tying the knot securely so the air does not escape. We are using a Qualitex balloon pump, so that blows the air into the balloon even if you push it up or down, and it's much faster and super easy. It's definitely worth investing in one of those, especially if you have regular parties and are blowing balloons throughout the year. If your balloon is not going completely round, you can pump air into it and then push it down onto a hard surface, or shape it round with your hands. What other balloon cake topper colours should I make next, and what themes? Comment on the box below to let me know, and I definitely would do so. Now we are going to pair the balloons up. You can choose any colours you like. I'm going to be pairing the same colours on this tutorial. Pairing the balloons up is called a duplicate, and it's simply by just getting the ends of the two balloons and tying them together. Now get the metal craft wire, or any craft wire that you'll be using, and get the first set of balloons and tie it around that. Place it onto the hard surface and select your next balloon and tie that around the one on the top and the bottom to secure it into place. Continue by adding the duplies and securing them with a metal craft wire. It's almost like you're making a mini balloon arch, and just slightly pull on the metal wire as well to make it tighter so it secures into place. Finally, place the last balloon set on the top, and you can just take this all around the mini balloon arch and just hide the wire away. This one is now ready to add on the straws or the wooden skewers. simply get the straws and add the glue dots onto them and place these under and inside the balloon topper. Find the position which would hide away the straws, and then that would dig into your cake. There we go, this balloon topper already looks fabulous. It's ready to be placed onto your choice of cake. What balloon cake topper shall I make next? Let me know below. Thanks for watching.